What if you saw a conviction on the second-degree manslaughter, carries a max of 10 years, and I think might be perceived as a slap on the wrist? What about that? Federal action?
I think that's a really good point. We saw this in Los Angeles back in the early 90s with the Rodney King trial. You saw an acquittal, and then you saw, I think, 2 of the officers were convicted on federal civil rights charges. I think that it depends on whether sentences are concurrent or not, if it makes sense, what the penalties are for whatever civil rights violations, what those charges carry with it. Sometimes they're concurrent sentences, and so it doesn't really do anything to add. And the federal government, the Department of Justice really shows great deference to state courts and doesn't want to do things, at the same time or to interfere with what's happening with the murder trial that's going on now. So,
yeah, and that's a good point. Judge, sometimes you'll see the Fed